When valves have been in use for a long time, the first part to encounter issues is not the handle or the valve body, but the pair of sealing surfaces that you cannot see but are the most crucial. These sealing surfaces rub against each other constantly when the valve is opened and closed, especially when there are impurities such as sand and scale in the system. The interior is like sandpaper. Over time, the sealing surfaces become worn. The valve starts to fail to close tightly and leak. If the valve still leaks even when it is fully closed, or if the operation becomes increasingly light, it indicates that the seal is about to fail. If the system contains impurities, a filter should be installed in front of the valve, and the entire pipeline should be cleaned regularly. For valves with high operation frequencies, when purchasing and selecting types, more wear-resistant sealing rings should be chosen.